Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a longitudinal profile. So lastly, I've shown you how to make a contour map where we put here contour lines. So now let's make a longitudinal profile. Here we go. Firstly, you should make a project. So go here, project. Here you make a new project. So call it, you're gonna call it like here, road, and here highway. You can call it any name you want. So then secondly, you should draw a line in alignment. Your alignment, go here, there you go, enter. Then you see these lines, it's a polyline, it's one line, so you should explode them to be separate. So you select them, then you click enter. Now you have exploded them, you can select one and each other separately. So the next step, it is making a radius in a horizontal curve. So you go axe à plan, l'accordement par arc, droite, straight avec radius, with radius, straight with radius. Click here, and then you select this one, the two straights. Okay, you put the radius you want. Let me put 120, it is already in. So there you go, here is my horizontal curve. The next step, we should join this horizontal curve with the straights. So we go axe à plan, assemblage de l'axe à plan. Okay, then we select all the objects, so you must get closer to maintain the assurance of selecting each and every element here. So, and this one, I think that's all. Then you click enter. You select the first element you have drawn, and this is this straight. Okay, the next step, it is going here, and you follow the rules. We have finished the example. We are going to tabulation. Then each and every element here is used. Firstly, we are going to set the point of the lanes. So the first lane, the lane of the right should be 3 meters, and the left should be probably 3 meters. So automatically here 3 meters. Okay, the number of profiles, so let's set 20 profiles. Okay, and let's the soft is analyzing 20 profiles. So here is 20 profiles. So we're going to name them. Naming them, the numbers. The first profile will be 1, the second will be 2, the third will be 3. So when you want the first one to be 1, the second to be the third named, so here you put here 2. So there will be an increment of 2. So let me put 1. Okay, then let me name them, give them numbers. So the prefix of this profile will be point kilometer concerné. It is a point where the kilometer is. So okay, then here we go. The first profile is at 0, the second one is at 10 meters. So and you can see the length of our road will be 199 meters. So